In an epic episode of what I made for dinner yesterday, I wanted to make githeri, so I started by adding my potatoes to the ingredients I had already prepared and let them just cook well in the oil because I find this very effective in making my githeri a little bit sweeter. So after adding githeri, I come and add the water, just a little bit that will make my potatoes cook well. So yes, because I wanted it thick. For greens, I had skuma and spinach mixed together. So after preparing the ingredients, I just add in the greens and let them cook because I really like my greens well cooked. Then here is my githeri boiling. I let it boil for like 15 to 20 minutes depending on the type of potatoes, because as you know, some potatoes take longer to boil well. So thank you for watching, guys, and see you on another one.